This video is genuinely going to change your life. The difference between rich people, poor people, and middle-class people isn't how much money they make. It isn't even how much money they have. The difference between rich people, poor people, and middle-class people is what they believe the purpose of money is. Poor people believe the purpose of money is to pay bills. That's the primary purpose of money. So the only reason they go to work every day is to get some money and then hand it over to someone else. Middle-class people think the primary purpose of money is to establish good credit so that they can buy things that they can't afford and pay off over time. Rich people understand the primary purpose of money is to turn it into more money. So I'm going to take that money and I'm going to hold on to it long enough that it's going to get pregnant, have babies. Every single $100 bill that I get, I'm going to take it and put it in the money maternity ward. That's the mindset necessary to get yourself out of that 9-to-5 poverty pattern. So if you're ready to start your journey of turning that money you already make into more money, comment, "I'm ready," and I'll get in touch with you with a completely free training on how to do that.